stop searching, because we've got what you are looking for. Welcome to Zetaver. We're going to show you how to create an amazing animated explainer video. Let's get started. Step 1. Planning. Before you start animating, plan your video. Write a script, create a storyboard, and set a timeline. Explainer videos are a powerful tool to communicate your message clearly and effectively. They help in capturing attention and only explaining complex ideas. Write a clear and concise script. Keep it short and engaging. Make sure it tells a story and highlights the main points you want to convey. Design your visuals. Use simple and clean graphics. Make sure they align with your brand and are easy to understand. Consistency is key to success. Add a voiceover to narrate your story. Choose a friendly and professional tone. Complement it with background music that enhances the mood of your video. Animate your videos. Use smooth transitions and make sure the animation flows naturally with the script. Keep it engaging by adding dynamic elements. Publish and promote your video. Share it on social media, your website, and other platforms. Engage with your audience and monitor the response. Ready to take your social media presence to the next level? Contact Zetaver today and let us help you shine in the digital world.